Right, so I've got this belt and someone's just brought it in. It's quite an unusual belt in terms of how it works. It's like this stretchy belt. I've never seen a belt like this before, and I think it's pretty unusual but quite amazing. It feels quite strong. But the problem is the person cut it because they wanted it to a certain size, and they want this stitched back on, and I'm going to try and do that. But yeah, this belt's pretty cool, I think. I've never seen a belt that does that. And yeah, I'll try and do my best and stitch this back on. And yeah, so let's go. That's terrible.